Welcome back, students, to 11th standard. We are dealing with the ISC. So there's little change in pattern from what you had in ICSE. And before we start that today, let me introduce you to the pattern of the question paper or the pattern of the study which you will be doing. The first part, which you already had in 10th standard also, was your essay writing. Similarly, here also you have essay writing. There are 6 topics. Out of 6 topics, you have to select one depending on your choice. That is, you have argumentative, descriptive, narrative, story writing, and expressive. It's depending on your choice of the topic, you can answer that. Your second question has 2 parts. It's again on the writing skill. The first part is your report writing. The second part is your proposal writing. If you have gone through the newspaper reports which cover the various aspects, can be political, can be community, can be calamitic, sports events, or even an exhibition on or a feature writing on something. Now these kind of writings are called report writing. This is a new topic which is introduced to you all, and today we'll start with this. But before we start with this, let me complete the other sections which you have in your English language. The next part is your comprehensive writing passage, in which you have an unseen passage and you have to answer that. The last part is your grammar, which comprises transformation of sentences, prepositions, and the various forms of words which needs to be changed according to the words given in the bracket. Now we come back to your report writing. When we start with report writing is actually an exercise which is based on the information and the ideas which are provided, where a candidate is required to compose a piece of approximately 300 words. The range of the subject include article writing, book and film review, speech and report writing, and personal profile. You even have your first-hand information report, that is FIR, testimonials under this. The ability in writing skills, rearranging ability to handle language in the given situation is taken into account. Now, when you are writing a report writing, certain points will be given to you. For this, please open your Total English book and you can check on any of your questions which are available in the model test paper, and please go through the question number 2. You will see that a lot of points on report writing is given to you there. Now there are various kind of report writings. You have a newspaper report, you have a film review, a book review. It can be a feature writing or an article writing, speech report, inter-school competition reports, excursion reports, personal profile, testimonials, FIRs. So we'll be dealing with all of these in our coming sessions. Today we start with the important points of the report writing. The first point is beginning the piece of writing. Please read thoroughly the question which is given to you. Select the points that can be grouped together. You can add details and information if essential, and be careful by elaborating, trying to keep close to approximately prescribed limit. That is, you can add your own points to it, but please see that the points which you add are genuine and they are according to the context which is given to you. The second point, which is organizing. that is, planning and keeping it accordingly. You can't abruptly start a report that yesterday the bank was looted, and you can't come straight to the point. The introduction of the report has to be given. So it's very important that you organize all those points. Organizing the given point in a logical and coherent manner is key to good and successful report writing. Arrange the data provided in such a way that the opening sentence becomes the subject of the report. The points should be dealt in decreasing importance. Divide the content into 3 to 4 paragraphs. Maintain a computerized format, that is, you leave a line and start next to the margin. You can't continue your paragraph where you end and from the middle of the line you can start the next paragraph. No, it has to be a computerized format. You can see it right here. This is your computerized format. In the end, summarize the points in such a manner to get a clear view of the event or issues. And best way to write a report is who, what, when, and where, and conclusion. We come next is language and style. Report writing demands a formal treatment. You cannot have an informal language. The language should not be overtly ornamental with figure of speech and stylistic techniques. The composition must be in third person, using the passive voice as far as possible. Write short sentences and avoid using conjunctions to prevent the style of report. Do not become emotionally involved. Present the facts in logical manner, bringing out the event or the occurrence vividly. The next is your title. A title or a headline is an important or integral part of any report. Generally, headline is provided in the questions itself. In case if it's not given, think of a suitable title from the report itself. Never submit without a suitable heading. Title should be such that it increases the curiosity of the article to the readers. Today we come end to this part of report writing. I request you all to please go through the English newspapers to find out what report writing is. The various kind of reports can be seen in the newspaper. If you have your Sunday magazines with you, if you have HT Times, or if you have Graffiti, you can open it up and you can see the various aspects of report writing. You have book reviews as well as film reviews which are given to you in these sections. In case if you do not have a newspaper or your magazines around or your Graffiti around, I would request you to please go through your Outlook, India Today magazines, and you can find out the various kinds of reports written there. In the back few pages, you will have a book review as well as a film review. There are times when they cover the excursion and they cover the important the excursion and the luxurious lifestyles and the feature writing. In the next class, we'll start with different types of reports. In the meantime, please go through all the samples which are given in your Total English book. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.